Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, as it means a lot. Thank you for the support. Today's video, guys, how to find and replace the fuel filter on a Hyundai Elantra. Something that sounds so easy, it's not so easy, guys, and it will happen with most newer vehicles. So this Hyundai, guys, we got some water in the gas before. We wanted to replace the filter. We have a video how the signs of water in the gas are. Check it out. But we were looking in the engine bay, we were looking everywhere trying to find that fuel filter. Okay, and let me just remove the cover here. I'll show you where the fuel rail is here. And funny thing about it is we followed the fuel rail and we couldn't find any fuel filter here. Okay, that's a fuel rail, fuel line, and it just goes under the body. So we went under the car, guys, okay, and I tried to find the filter as well. Okay, we looked everywhere, and nothing, guys. Usually it will be on the frame somewhere, and I was like, okay, probably it's integrated in the fuel pump. So we removed the seat. That's where the fuel pump is located, right there under that cover, and we ordered a new fuel pump. And let me show you where the filter is now. You can replace the filter only. We have that fuel pump for another video replacement, so make sure you check it out. This is, guys, the fuel filter right here. Yes, that's right. This is the fuel pump. It sucks fuel from the tank, goes through the filter, and from the filter it goes to the outlet line that goes towards the fuel injectors. So you can see this is the filter, and it is replaceable. If you want to watch the whole video, we will have it on auto repair, guys, how to remove the fuel pump, how to get to the fuel filter, and how to replace it. But just an idea for you guys trying to find the filter, a short video. Please subscribe, guys, and let's grow the channel together.